ne mugamba era audio yagitaddeyo ku TikTok bogena ku page yo so gisangayo
nti gwe ne Shani
nambuza if we good and stuff ne mugamba is a nation it right of now misunderstandings nga omanye ebintu by'abaana bawala naye misunderstandings afete zavaayo into the public na sirika busirisi Shani ne mwesonyiwa before even she started crying on the internet misunderstandings ezaffe zaaliwo so kati yatandika okaaba ne mu texting ne mubuza yoke she was like I'm good nensirika ne mwesonyiwa kuba I wasn't at good terms with her at all
bwavyako Shani okukaaba ku internet
nedda okukaaba kwe I don't know the reason as to why she was crying I don't misunderstandings zaffe simanyi oba ze zamukaabya
misunderstandings gwezo ne Shan Lips zava kuki
ebintu biri personal sabite
bino bemwakolanga ku internet byaviirako ebyo
ebiki byetwakolanga ku internet ebya misunderstandings and nation ziri personal nga we tutavayo ku internet zogerako naye sichwanti ze zaali zimukaabya
tuli ku the Truth Media just go subscribe like follow ndine Moody Nenga, okay, before you go into Moody's story, wayagala okusuubula China, jagamba buy with Joseph ali China, asobola okuyambako ebintu ebituuka e Kampala buli kimu ky'oba weetaaze in life, oba ki byakozesa electronics biki namba ze kwe ziri okwo ziyiteko ojja kuba osobola okuzifuna. Then ate gwe ayagala emmotoka bamuyita Sula Motors ye yekka wane Kampala atunda amamotoka. Olutuuka wane ku Salama Road ujja mu Makindye Nkulungu ya Salama Road kida ku Entebbe Road, then opposite Africa Oil wali awo buli kika kya motoka kwewola kuswapinga kibanja mpola byonna ku byonna buli kimu. Ate ugenda wali ekibuye ayinawo branch mpya owa akava ku police n'otuuka ku kikubo kida ku Moland Po then opposite olaba waawo awali supermarket y'aba China we yali then ekyo kikubo ojja kuba omufuna bulungi nnyo. Osinga kutegera lulimi ki, Luganda, Luzungu? Byombi obimanyi? Naye nobeera ku app wano ne weefula mbu gw'omanyi nnyo Oluzungu nnyo.
Dondomanyi.
Olumanyi?
So gwe kyonna ky'oli favorable with
kyetujja okukozesa.
Yeah.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm okay.
Who is Moody?
Moody is me.
Moody.
I'm Moody.
You're Moody.
Yeah.
You made the TikTok app go wild. You came in two. Abantu bakozese Luganda. Lwaki tubamenya? Wajja mu biti bibiri ku TikTok. Nga wasooka n'ojja nga gwe ne Shan Lips mukayanira omusajja. Then later n'okomawo ng'omusajja alina ebigambo byayogera wamugula. N'okomawo gwe ne Shan Lips nga muli item. Ne tugenda okudda Moody n'ofuuka Moody ku app. Nga buli omu Moody muliwo omuwala omulala yali agaasimanyi ajja kutane nudes. Bamuyita naye omuwala yali agenda kutoba nudes zo alina nudes zo babiki. Kwega ne mubeera app ne mugifuula ekyokuzanyisa. But before nga tunagenda mu bingi nnyo, before we go into questions biki. How is Shan Lips?
She's okay. From what I know, she's good.
When did you last talk to her?
Was it yesterday but one?
Good.
When Sheila Price called me, I had called her in the morning asking whether I could meet up with her in the evening and stuff. And she was like, she would see if we could meet.
Kozesa Luganda. Moody amanyaga amatufu gwani.
Hanifa.
Eddala.
Chalichi.
Oh,
yeah. I'm a Mutoro.
You were Mutoro.
Yeah.
Oluganda olumanyi.
Kade twogere Luganda.
Kati ye gundi wadde omwagaza ki?
Ani.
Sheila Price.
She's my mom. She texts me as her daughter. So she called me ngambuzo bandi bulungi ebigenda mu maaso ku Shani. She literally ankubira buli.
Sheila Price mwetwalanga mama.
Yeah. To what about the post she made about me? I'm her daughter. So antwalanga muwala we. Anything concerning me, she'll be involved.
But Sheila Price have a gundi. Tize.
No, it's not that she's my biological mother.
No, ngamba mukwatagana mutya okubokutuka.
Infanana black man.
Oh, by the way, yes.
Yeah.
Kati Nazaro Omukulu nga bombozo olwokuba ofaanana mutabani we.
Yeah, nfanana black man. Kati yasalawo nantwala as her daughter. So buli kimu kyonna kyonna ekinkwatako ajja kubeera concerned. So concerned about it.
Kati yakubudde nga akubuuza ki?
Shani ngambuza how is she njogeddeko naye ne mugamba era audio yagitaddeyo ku TikTok bogenda ku page yo so gisangayo
nti gwe ne Shani
nambuza if we good and stuff ne mugamba nze ne Shani twali twafunayo misunderstandings nga omanya ebintu by'abaana bawala naye misunderstandings zaffe tezavaayo into the public nasirika busirisi Shani ne mwesonyiwa before even she started crying on the internet misunderstandings zaffe zaaliwo so kati we yatandika okukaaba ne mu textinga ne mubuuza are you okay? She was like I'm good nensirika ne mwesonyiwa kuba I wasn't at good terms with her at all
gwe aviirako Shani okukaaba ku internet
nedda okukaaba kwe I don't know the reason as to why she was crying I don't misunderstandings zaffe simanyi oba ze zamukaabya
misunderstandings gwezo ne Shan Lips zava kuki
ebintu biri personal sabite
bino bye mwakolanga ku internet byaviirako ebyo
ebiki bye twakolanga ku internet ebya misunderstandings ne Shan ziri personal nga we tutavaayo ku internet zogerako naye sikiwa nti ze zaali zimukaabya sikiwa cause she wronged me I didn't wrong her you're wronging us I did wrong her so sikiwa nti yali alina okukaaba it should be me crying bwaba yali akabira the issues ezatutuuka ku
what happened
personal issues
what did Shan Lips do
complicated issues itself so this tasobola kwogera ku media
are they intimacy Moody ate muleke namwe ate tusuubulwa kutuuka ku ekyo Moody
sikulimba ne sabyogerako like on the internet nenga ye gyali akimanyi I didn't do anything bad to her she hurt me nze yali alina okuba nga nze akaaba on the internet si yali alina okukaaba nate nze I acted cool I acted gangster byonna bye yakola yeah
who heads who between you and Shan Lips ani controlling ani
fena twefuga teri afuga munne twefuga all I know she's very concerned about me I'm very concerned about her that's all
naye tetukyali
close nga ate bwe twali due to ebyo ebyatuukawo nensalawo ne mwesonyiwa
yakola ki
tuveeyo
yakola kyo tuuka ku ekyo
biwanvu naye saabinnyonnyolako naye gyali yonna ena nkimanyi abimanyi naye sibyogerako
tegeeza wakaabya Shan Lips
sinze yamukaabya
she wanted to come back and you couldn't let her in
oh my god are you even serious
no I'm serious
that's not it by the way I'm a very soft person when it comes to Shani I'm a very open and soft person when it comes to her
why would you be soft to Shan Lips why
I love her like I really love her not the loving in a sukau but I really love her
you love Shan Lips
yeah so much more than she could even imagine that's why what she did hurt me so bad that I had to leave her
nange tuli ku The Truth Media go subscribe like follow ndine Moody sinatuuka kubuuza no bibuuzo naye just mukyali ku bino ebya Shan Lips we haven't even gone into Shan Lips the questions I'm supposed to ask between you and Shan Lips though mbadde nkyali ku bino lwaki yali akaaba cause you the right person okubuuza
I understand that, and I really understand your point of view.
The internet showed everything you and her you were so close. We see Shan Lips coming out crying, shedding tears, not today, not 1 day, not 2 days, not 3 days. Yakaba for almost a week. Ebintu nebitandika okuvaayo yabba abasajja bamunoonya. She's infected. Ali HIV positive. Wabiraba internet bye yagira.
Yeah, I did.
So namukubirako nganze. By that time ndoza yali munyonyo nangama ndi munyonyo ne mugamba
thank you that's the very day I called her that's the very day I called her nangamba ali munyonyo ne mugamba ndi na masuba could you like come nearby we meet and stuff and she was like I'll think about it nenda labo bansobola okutuuka she didn't get back to you thank you
nange ne mugamba should I cause wabeera manyiwo wali enyana yes ne mugamba should I come to nyana matuogere I'm not coming with a camera everything just ombuli nangamba no when time comes ngenda kukubira ojje twogere but nkyayina kyempitamu buli omu akiyitamu n'ekimala n'ekiggwa nenga nedda kanoonye Moody ayinza okuba ye buzibu
That's the reason.
Nenga no kanonye Moody ayinza kuba gwe buzibu. Omwana ajja kwetugira awo because of you.
It's not because of me. She has her own personal reasons. It's not that I know everything that goes around with her. I know as long as it's really personal. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm not the reason as to why she was crying.
You're not the reason?
I'm not.
Kale, nvuddewo. Wono yagala otubuli onotubuulira ekizibu.
Okay.
Because nze nayogera naye. Ate yinza okuba the things you say she wronged you, the days where yali atambula kuba nalaba mwayawukanira nnyo yali atambulira nnyo ne Terawats. Was shooting a video.
No. Twali naye. We went during the process. Yes, the process. We were together.
Mwali mwenna.
Yeah.
Then later ne mwawukana.
Yeah. But that wasn't the issue. That wasn't the issue.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway. Okay. Shan, go on. Moody.
Yeah.
Okola mulimu ki?
I don't work. I don't work.
Why? Lwaki tokola?
I have no reason.
Obeera woti bulamu bw'obeeza woti?
I have parents. My mom can give me literally anything I need.
The life you living, yotulaga ku TikTok, biki, gena mu club, ukola biki, sponsoring guys, biki and everything. You know, not everything with family.
Yeah. My mom gives me money. Yeah.
Do you still stay with your parents?
Yeah.
Okay. Gwamalo soma.
Namala my short course, Janalin Korea fashion and design. I branched.
From
senior 4 yeah, ningenda kwa na disagala kweyongerayo. Ningenda ninkola the short course. Ninjimaliriza. So njaga kudai for the national certificate. Yeah.
Nogera no some of that short course.
Yeah. Yes, so mera kwa mi mama wange is a person tayagala menyeke. So as antandikiza ku kintu kitonotono kiva nasoka netandikira ku short course ey'essomero yennyini nyini. So nina okuddayo ku national certificate.
You have plans ebyokusoma byo byaga?
Yeah, nina okuddayo.
Oh, that's cool. How old are you?
I'm 20.
You're 20.
I'm 20.
Mu luzungu tetulinayo 20.
Kasito kiragede ndi kugamba 20.
Tikapukire 20. Okay, you're 20.
Yeah.
And 20 you 20 ebintu byoli mu kukola by'abantu bali 40.
Ebintu ebyo byendi mu kukola.
Ebintu byemukola ku internet.
Biki byenkola ku internet.
Let's start with the saga, the first saga gye abantu abasinga kwe basinga nnyo okupikinga attention gyoli. By the way, how did you come on TikTok gwe ng'omuntu?
Ize najja mpostinga byange as a person wajja ku TikTok natandika otekayo video ye eno.
Yeah.
That's how I got like on the internet.
What happened between you and Ian?
Well,
give me Ian's story between you. First of all, give me Ian's story wakatiwo ne Shan Lips. Then later njagala Ian's story when Ian, cause yasoka ne fuluma nga mukayanira Ian when Shan Lips.
No, that wasn't it. Let me tell you. Ian, when I broke up with Rennie, nasoka nembera wao, so I got Ian.
Rennie?
Yeah, Rennie is my boyfriend.
Is Kati?
Yeah, twadingana.
Wasoka no.
We broke up. I and Rennie. Kati within the period when we broke up, I got Ian.
In a relationship?
Yeah. Kati, I didn't know they had a relationship. Ne Shani.
In a relationship.
I don't know. That's
because I remember there's a guy was doing a interview ya Shan Lips and wali ku live ngoli mu kuyombesa Ian. It was a Sunday morning nga muli mu kuyomanga the day before yabadde ne Shani nga muze wakadde ne mugenda okucha nga muli mwembi.
Thank you very much. Kati nedda sali naye nze nali wange.
Kati then Shan Lips nga tugenda okukola interview nga akyayogera nammwe nga muli ku live naye najja ku live. You remember that interview?
Yeah, I do.
It was a Sunday morning.
Okay.
Nemugamba nga ayogera nawe bulungi, ayogera na Ian bulungi, but nga atalaga ekiro yadduka ku gwe n'atwala Shan Lips, yadduka ku Shan Lips n'atwala gwe.
I wasn't with him that night. I wasn't.
But nga be rotating around there.
I was like salumanya something like that mweze nsonga kuba nze the Ian oyaja like to vibe me and stuff being his girlfriend. Yeah, he approached me. Yeah, I understand Jogenda.
So tumale wano, what happened between with Shan Lips ne Ian, the fracas yali wakati wa mwabasatu?
Nze nali obanku gambeti, I was so confused. Kubanga yes, I was in a relationship with Ian. Atenga ku internet bandaga ali in a relationship ne Shan. Kati nganze bemubuza angamba there is nothing going on. I'm like, okay, cool. Ngambireka. Atenze nalisa kwata Shani ntandike mubuza. What's going on between you and Ian?
By that time walimu kwanogwa Shani?
Yeah, I was.
Katugobera otya nga tewamanya nti they are in a relationship?
I'm a person who minds like her own business. Nalisija kubera so picky ntandike kumanya they're in a relationship or they're not. Kati in the Ian, we started dating and stuff. Ngendolaba one day, actually live jebakula nation ngabali momotoka when calling me. I had no idea nti bali ku live. I didn't know.
Wamma na oli Shani nakubuza wamma gwene Ian mweyaga.
You saw my response. Nali simanyi nti bali ku live. Like I had to meet Ian later that night.
Yes.
I had to meet Ian later that night. Kadinza babi mbuza nemugamaze simanyi kiki kigenda maaso gange ne Ian muwulira agamba mpulira abantu bagamba gwe inze tukayanira omusajja atenga siwe kiri kwanze besibikola I'm too pretty for that. Kati wera we yambuza namugamaze bugambi simanyi. I didn't give her like a clear answer. Namuga bugambi simanyi. But we were in a relationship with Ian.
Werekerawo gap ene woza konti. You left a vacuum, yeah?
Then I say was just sayagala kwogera bingi ne mugamba simanyi. Yeah.
Okay. So gwe Ian yakwana in the period of we twalabira that live. Mwali mumaze.
Yeah, we were already dating. We mwalabira you live.
For how long?
Like a week.
Ngamulino. Oli wali omuchayi for how long before dating Ian?
I think kuba I had to heal. Trust me, I had to heal.
Wali omaze bangachi?
Like 3 weeks to funga ngenda mu mwezi.
Amuyino obwangu abantu bamala myaka.
Nze mponerawo nali nina okuwona. Yeah.
So you falling in love with Ian, why is it a coincidence? Wali already omulaba? Cause
nali mulaba on the internet nenga ate I was in a relationship with Rennie nenga ate Ian mulaba on the internet nga mulaba bawala webito ngamula muntu wabakazi nenga ze simufaako nnyo. Kati when he approached me, he was like, Moody, he's a very sweet guy, by the way, in person. When you talk to him in person, he's a very sweet guy.
I've seen him before.
Yeah. Kati
I've seen him.
Yeah, kati he was so sweet and stuff. I was like, okay, I was down for him. Ningamba, we can have a relationship together.
No gwira wamatu.
See. Kuba nakitegeeza kyekyo.
No ulya ng'omwagadde.
Sigambye nti no, okay, nali ntandise okumwagala. Sigambye I didn't love him at first. Nakiriza okubeera in a relationship naye nali simwagala. Natandika kumwagala nga ndi mu relationship. Yeah. Because like he used to give me everything that I needed, trust me. Everything.
Nane mama omwerabidde kati.
Nende mamange yaliyo. Nene Ian yali ampa.
Nga tokyasabiriza mama.
Nende mamange simusaba amanya kuba sikola.
Auntie, of course, era obeera musabiriza.
Era akasamba mbijja mu kika.
Okay.
Kati Ian netutandika okweyagala, he's very caring. Yeah, he's a very providing man. So providing.
So ye weapon ye jabakozesaako.
Nze simanyi oba yagikozesako nze oba agikozesako bala nenganze he was a very providing man.
But still you're going to Ian already wakimanya nti nno alina bawala bangi wali omulaba.
Nali mbiraba ku internet nenga simulaba. I don't judge a book by its cover. So I had to go ndabe kiki ekindala ekiriyo. And when I reached, he's a very sweet guy. Ebyo bya Shani simanyi sijja kubyogerako kinene nenga nze njogera ku picture yange general mu Ian. He's a very nice guy, providing, loving and stuff. Though aina obuze gw'abakazi ekyo kyo nakiraba.
Naye ngambira pako inogenda.
Nedda nakiraba ate mazi nali sikikakasa nali mbiraba nenga sikikakasa. Namala kutuuka mu relationship n'ekikakasa. Nti bwatyo bwali. Yeah.
Taisa skati.
Muntu wabakazi ye nga bwe mumanyi.
By the time we were dating, Alina, how many girls?
Like he had only me. nzenzeka. I was very sure nali nzenzeka.
Ate then Shan appears.
Kati awe Shan were appearing in the picture. Kati awo nembuka nemmanya nti nono iyani.
So after knowing Shan wamanya akabalala?
No, only Shan.
So yabagata babiri. Two friends.
Nze simanyi oba yali atugatika oba yali tatugatika.
No, that one could tell. Cause ele yakuna nga mama mwe.
Nali mukazi wange nambe nabiwulira byonna.
Then bwe yaddange ewuwo ku internet nga gwe nambe mu nga wadde woli abanambe.
Thank you very much. Wekyali kati nze nembivaamu.
No bivaamu.
Nemugamba let's stay friends. Because he was very nice to me. He didn't do anything bad to me. So nemugamba we can keep being close friends and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's when you guys namuga okay.
Yeah, nemwesonyiwa.
How long did you date?
Like for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Echinene.
3 weeks.
Yeah. And those 3 weeks, I really enjoyed him. I really did. Kati awo mu week ewe yokunawe natandika okuzuulira ebyo bya Shan.
And you couldn't keep the sweetness.
No, nesala mwesonyiwa.
Oh. You really enjoyed him.
Yeah, he's a very sweet guy.
What do you mean enjoying him?
He's a very nice person.
In terms of
loving and stuff, he's a very nice. I didn't mention that. That's very private.
Did you guys go that far?
No. No. We didn't. Like, he's a very nice person. Like, he's a very sweet guy. If you get to date him, you'll get to know that he's a very nice person. So caring. Yeah.
Oyongera musombera bawala.
Mugende jawa iyan.
Okay. So knowing nogamba no mwesonyiwa iyan.
Yeah, nesonyiwa iyan.
Did you get any confusion with Shani after knowing?
No, not at all.
No, I can't go you. Knowing a friend of yours are dating the guy you moving in with
we didn't get any conflicts. Like, why would we get conflicts?
Abawala abasinga gamba mukwano gwange nedda
nze senze.
No chit no.
Nasirika busirisi nembesonyiwa nensi. I pulled back.
You pulled back. Oh. Yeah. That's quite a little bit. Then the story came out after Bichi or moving the or Tade Ian to kulaba you with Shani Lips in a cozy intimacy, sort of a loving lesbians. Ngaira abantu batanso gamba mukola actually ngana fete bidi tusacho tugamba no these girls was wrong. You in bed with hamo muwewe tenjala mu kwatako cafe si bichi.
Like she was my close friend. We weren't dating or anything. I don't know even why people were thinking like that. Like we weren't dating. She was just my close friend and stuff. I used to hang out with her kumpi every day. Nyanama at her place. I used to be with her every day.
Gogera no beda yo.
Yeah.
Nemusula mu nyumba emu.
Yeah.
Same bed.
Yeah.
Nemukola ebyo.
Ebyo betwakolanga.
Ebyo kwatira enjala bichi.
Like touching your fellow girl, I don't think it's something inappropriate.
As if you kissing guys.
We didn't kiss.
You didn't, but you video kwezile kuimwe mwaziteeka yo.
But we weren't doing anything inappropriate, anything unholy. We weren't.
Didn't your parents or mama wo muchibuga ani?
Yeah.
Sheila price.
Yeah.
Yakugamba ko kubintu ebyoli mukola.
No, yeah. While I say Sheila price okuvayo okutandika okumbera kwenyo, you know, Nalinta, I had reconciled with my ex-boyfriend. Kati au Sheila natandika okunda abanyonga noticing nyon for you pages and stuff. Natandika gamba nfana na black man ankolera o video, I'm her daughter and stuff. Yeah, that's how we got to connect. Yali tabi man tanjogera na tabi ngambanga nako.
Wamuonera yali takumanya. Kubanga ebyo bintu biba your parents with this internet saga zobera
nze sina zembera gamba
ebyo byashigundi mujja kwita ku TikTok ne mwekolera live ne muyomba.
Nze Moody, have you ever seen any live of I fighting with anybody?
No, with fellow girls.
Thank you very much. Ngaba yombe sanza wablanze sivanga yo nenyomba.
Ngaba kuyombesa.
Exactly.
Lwachi ever gobera musaga.
Stewali saga did Charlie. Actually, I reconciling with my ex-boyfriend saved me a lot. Yeah, nadi oba nkugambe chi oba mutia. Yeah, like for real, mutia. Era kasira nenakuza nembera ku live nganda abantu they are going to start arguing and stuff nzirukako.
Lwachi mutia.
Just mutia. Buchiri in me mutya.
Atimpula muko.
Tankuba, just mutya.
More respect.
Yes, so much. So mbasaga kwera in any like misunderstandings. Kastana reconciling and ibe nabena nembye sonywa. Era bade nchubade tukiraba ntino nina chembera mo.
Yeah, lately.
Yeah.
A little bit clean na wali emabega.
Yeah, was so dirty.
Very not dirty. So, but you very.
Yeah, so kastana
chichi what buli buzibuchi.
What buzibu what actually is the siman
Be butterfly.
Huh. Ye butterfly Eyakabya.
Wanje? I'm going to call you back. Mbadde nkyali ku interview.
Omutya kituufu.
Kale. Nedda si ono bukyali wange.
Mbadde manyi yakubye nti todduka wano.
Nedda si yakwenda mugambye nti ndi kujja.
Oh, okay. So those dirty moments life gye walimu kiki kyali kikozi nga nga on a daily kubeerako abawala abakola live.
They had their own personal reasons, but I don't think I was beefing with anybody. I wasn't beefing with anybody. Yeah.
But okubanga waliwo ekizibu ekyaliwo.
Nze simanyi naye nga nze I wasn't beefing with.
Do you guys earn from bino ebintu byembeeramu ku TikTok? Do you earn from them?
Yeah, I do get money.
How? Sikulaba oli ambassador waki?
I don't have any brand.
Definitely.
The challenges I do in songs, I get money. Yeah.
Kati tugutwale nga gwe mulimu gwo.
Inze sigamba nti no ndi into TikTok mbuno njagala kubeera nga nkijjamu ssente kwa naye bateriiwo nfuna ssente. Yeah. So nze nkikola oli kastajja nangamba sinoonya nti no ngende nkutuukulire can I do this for you, give me money, gwa noonya nongamba Moody, can you do a challenge in my song, I give you this amount of money and stuff, and I'm like okay, nkikola, you give me money, period. Business nego
bari bakunoonyeza tonoonya
kuba naye mba sinoonyeza nfuna ssente.
Moody,
yeah,
bino ebintu byemukola mubikola for fame and likes
ebyo betukulu
bino bya kati nga bintu byewabeerangamu ne Shan Lips, the bed stuff and everything.
This you're very heavy on that bed issue, but I don't think I've ever recorded that.
No, chakozinga gondi alarm ku internet and people were arguing.
We were in a chair. We weren't in a bed. Tebwali buli, it was a couch.
Yali a couch.
Yeah.
I
was just like, oh my god. Ogenda kumbuza bikambo. Abantu balowooza nnimba.
Nawe kitegedde. Ng'olimu kunnimba.
Abantu balowooza nnimba ate nga njogera mazima.
Yeah. Because I want to know your relatives' reaction nga balabye ebintu with the comments ezijjirako and the videos abantu.
No, my mom yabinjogerako nangamba nesonye internet. Ojika nti nasooka nembulamu ne ku internet account yange nenjijjayo. My mom told me to do so. Nangamba soko veyo.
Nga naye alaba kisusu.
Yes, nanzijayo nenvaayo ku internet. Yeah, kati ate wenavaayo ku internet awo natandika obeera nnyo ne Shani nga TikTok yange teriiyo for some time. Nyambeera nnyo ne Shani.
Mubikola privately.
Why are you very heavy on kubikola? Why tukola biki?
And ng'otandisa ate nakubeera wuwe.
Neda, I used to hang out with her. I used to feel comfortable with her. So I used to spend much time with her. Yeah.
You got possessed.
Yeah.
Nga waataliwo olaba tobeerawo. Kati aba waakusobya. Anyway, njagala gundi. I want us to go into Ian fully. The words, no, auntie, yava ye nayogera ebibye. You've never come out to clear your clear air.
Yeah.
Ian yakoma yava na akola strong statements.
Yeah,
I was even once bali bashootinga video ya Mimi Kampala.
I saw it.
You saw.
Yeah.
Era nze namutema nako nga alikola kinga kyagenda mu maaso. The words they yakozesa mu interview gye nakolako akatini. N'agamba you're feeling jealous yakudduka kwa wali ng'omusasula okubeera naye. N'agamba naye oba owulira okyayagala musasula ddemu abeere boyfriend wo okomye by'okola. Osasula abalenzi. You pay guys to be your boyfriends.
Not really. You can ask the boyfriend that I'm having right now if I pay him any single coin.
No,
Let me tell you one thing about Ian. Ian is a narcissist. Ian is a narcissist. Like for real. He was lying. He knew he was lying. Era nakubira Nikki, manager wa mimi.
Yeah.
Namugamba, what is Ian saying on the internet? Nikki namukozesa live nga yetonda nga agamba ebintu yagede kyadde bya bulimba. Because he was lying. Every statement he made, it was a lie. I don't know why he did so. Like for I don't. Kuba analimva ginger never trizy. That day I was sleeping and my phone
Trizy
was
the DJ.
Yeah. My phone was blowing
never
up.
Trizy.
Yeah, I'll try to get the 40 pocho. Sorry, today 40. Yeah, ina show. So my friends invited me ngenda nabo. Kati ngendo tuka never see my phone blowing up. It was only a one-time thing. It was a one-time thing. Kati I didn't never say esimu yange blowing up messages. Ninji people are calling me. I was like, what's up? And
with the live he did or with the interview?
No, the live he did.
Okay.
Ngachali na kulaivu. My best friend called me. My ex-best friend called me. Nangamba Moody so gendo lawe live ya Ian. Konze okay. Ngendo kutuka ku live niggas saying crap and lies. I was like, the fuck? What's going on? I called him nanyiga busy. Nemukoya nanyiga busy. Nenkubira Nikki. I was even crying because I was so hurt. Kuba yali alimba, tarnishing my name with lies. And everybody noticed it that yali alimba. Everybody noticed it. Like for real, and people made videos attacking him.
Because you have a gang. Definitely they have to protect you.
No, it's not. Actually, people abakola video nalisiba manyi. The girls that did the videos nalisiba manyi. Even boys themselves nalisiba manyi. I was so hurt. Tewali chintu chali badde ku internet ne chinnuma nga Ian che yakola that day.
No, they made videos nabonga bagala genda viral nti bali mu kuoleza, but they don't know how you and Ian met.
Do you know, I was so hurt. Last time timinja ali bitabela ku TikTok. Naliswelanga ko hurt. I was hurt that day. Nenkubira Nikki crying. Nikki namukubira live najijjako. Ian nankubira natandika okungamba I'm sorry biti rati saga kogera bingi.
Because to make this clear, before I did Ian's brief interview, nayogera ne Mango. Then Mango ne mugamba oli muganda Ian nangamba yes. Nangamba ye nyini na confirming anti gwe wespa ko Ian omusasula. You saw that.
I saw it.
So if the sister said the same, ngasana na kuita viewing the brother, then your ex-boyfriend never na confirming anti omusasula. That's even before ngatana kola gundi live here.
It was a lie. I'm too pretty for that. I can literally get any guy I want. Why would I pay Ian to be with me?
Yeah,
we were dating. But Sigamati nali musasula. I say he was providing for everything that I needed. And the sina sent I swear kubanga na dating Ian sabte kamu ya dene chikumi. Ye yali antekam.
Hey. Ala ne alimbani.
Is a sifa yo kwa ne alimbani oba ne ayagala umanya mazima nenga, that's the fact ne Ian jali achimanyi. Yeah.
Naga antino the day you guys started dating, go amukubire simu. Najja ne mwambuka waggulu ku balcony esembayo.
Let's not talk about that. To be swaza no kuswaza sagala kubyogira ko like for it even makes me uncomfortable. Kuba bya bulimba. Nada that he came. Sija aligama ntino teyajja. But ebira bena yeyongera ko byali bya bulimba. Because I called him, I was like, babe, where are you? He was like, ndiwa.
Amutandisa kweyagala.
Yeah. Nemubuzoliwa nangamba ndi cartel. Nemugamba I want to see you. Nze yakyogera. Nemugamba I want to see you. Nangamba okay, he drove. Najja we nali.
He drove?
Yeah. He drove. Najja we nali. Na meeting, he bought me what I wanted. Period. Namara navugana dayo. Actually, he came with a friend. He came with a friend in a car.
Ate byokumwambusa waggulu ne otula mu katebe.
Ibe sibiman.
Eruga Moody omukwano mulina mungi.
Please don't go into details. Ibe sibimanyi. Linga chemanyi he came, we talked. Nemugabe nanjaga omugamba nadetya bye nali njagala ne kigwerawo. Because he was with a friend.
Hey.
Yeah, he came with a friend.
Wamujire mukwano gwa film, gutula mu film, just movies, films. No.
Actually, I'm a lover girl. People who have dated me can tell.
Shigeza wabikola.
Sakole be yagamba. Zingamba me love a girl. Na sakole be yagamba. I could never. Like so wakatandiko dating like 3 days or 4. Nadi rachi, why would I go into details with him that much? Wakatandiko dating. Yeah.
Has he ever called you to reconcile or to say sorry or bichi? Apart from that live, yavayo nakola nga yetondera abantu.
But he said sorry and I was down for it. Kwa he's a very nice person. Ne unyarachi yavayo na yogere bebintu. Kwa he's a very nice person. Kati boyanga mamuno he's sorry and stuff. Actually I even blocked him. Na kubira ko nambe ndala. Ne man blocking ane toga nangamba I'm really sorry and stuff. Ne mugamba bya wakoze bya tsiri nnyo. It really hurt me. You ruined my reputation. Nawe neyo yenyini nojo no nango Basajja nti bakugula. Ate bintu ebitali bituufu. He was like, I'm very sorry, I wasn't thinking and stuff. I was like, okay, it's okay. Nchideka ne mwesonyiwa ne chibulira.
Abena bintu wava biogramma lumazo kwawukana.
Yeah.
Buli gwe yawukana naye agwa ddalu.
Twali tumaze okwawukana.
Ngambuuza buli gwe yawukana naye agwa ddalu.
Kyogamba nani gwe yawukana naye omulala n'agwa ddalu.
Shan Lips n'akaaba okufiirawo. Gundi Ian. Nagenda ku internet natandika okwogera ebitabo byogamba bitakwatagana. Then the current one yali ex-wo ndoza yamala kudda gyoli n'alyoka akoma omuno musensezi. Renny wekiri.
Renny yetu buleke.
Omuti.
Nada sebuseka manje no Muti as being afraid of him just more respect.
More respect.
Yeah, very much.
Kwa sababu bino yabikola. But your parents bamanyi nti you girls at the age muli because right now you're 20.
Yeah.
Last year you were 19.
Yeah.
Bine bintu birabika nti mubadde mujja mbikola even before making 18.
But ntandise okubeera famous ku TikTok last year when I was 19. Nvudde ku TikTok okwanga amanyikidwa publicly.
19.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean before obadde tokola bintu.
Ate Rachi, why are you being picky about my past life? You're talking about my TikTok life. Mabega sijagala kuba sagala kuddayo. I like the person I am at the moment. Yeah.
Erimusaga mungi.
Ate by the way sina saga je nali mwedda kuba I was a very calm person. Nga TikTok mbera ko bubezi scrolling up posting and stuff. Nekati we natandika ovaayo nnyo ku TikTok, people noticing me. Obuzibu bwawe bwajjira. Yeah.
Okay. You kind of a girl going about woli wabakulabye jassa okutunula what you look, you give that innocent feel.
Of course I'm innocent.
You're not.
Why did you say that I'm not innocent?
Ebintu byo tulabyeko ku internet byokola
just because I keep on having, let me tell you what things, I'll have fun with my life. I'll do anything I want with it. I'll have fun to the fullest.
But at the end it be turning upside down.
But by the way, I've been so low. Kati wano saga za Shani zinotandika okukaaba abantu batanze okunjogerako ennyo nti Moody ya nembadde nasiri ku the internet. Nga nze ne lives sikyazikola, sikyabeera ku ma live g'abantu mba byange.
Oba bibyo. Okole rubbish wo silently.
Rubbish aliwa gwe nkola silently. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what made you go back to Renny? Did yasigalawo nga akulinze kola everything the rubbish you're doing, then you come back?
No. Okay, Renny is a person that I fell in love with. Newe twechawa. It really broke my heart. I went into depression. I cried for days and weeks. My mom noticed. He broke up with me. I don't know why. Like for real. Like mubadde mogano muntu very like saga kubyogera bingi.
Okay. Nichengamba even if we madingana you didn't sit down okumubuza what really happened. Because I know girls love to
namubuza nampa explanation ye and I understood him. So I took him back.
Bine bitu byomera kwita ndibanyo bavuga muko speed ne muva ku mulamwe.
Bisobola.
So they byakola kugwe.
Yeah.
Mugane mulowooza nti no nammwe muli mutuka mu kifo looking at people ebintu byonna bimukane mulowooza nti no muli bakabi you famous.
No.
bibatwala with nemumela wings.
Actually, I'm not famous. I'm just popular. Celebrities are always famous. Kati nganze, I'm just popular, but I'm not famous.
You're not a celebrity.
No, I'm not a celebrity.
But abasinga ba TikTokers bamanyi they are celebrities.
Nze, I'm not a TikToker.
Bakumanyide kuki?
On TikTok, but that doesn't mean that I'm a TikToker.
You are. Abantu kumanyide ku YouTube abera YouTuber.
Ate WhatsApp abanji.
Ate WhatsApp oberako nabachali bokka.
Wala nenga byebyo inze I'm not a TikToker. If people meet me, like I've met a lot of people in public and people approach me and people be like, "Hi Moody, can I take a video with you?" I'm like, "It's okay." "Can I take a photo with you?" I'm like, "It's okay." I'm a very cool person.
You are nenga popularity evude kuki?
TikTok.
Lwaki batekinga videos nawe ne pics nga bakusaba?
Because I'm very popular.
Kuki?
TikTok.
That makes you?
Not a TikToker.
You get it? So mutu ukekiseera nti kati olaba that field gye bakuwa olina jana gamba let me take a pic with you, let me take a video with you. Oh, that's Moody. You guys mumera wings. Nemwerabira what you nemwerabira to compose yourselves. Nemutandika ogenda against the humanity gye mubaddemu before. Boom. Notanga okweragira ku banno abakumanyi kati mukweragira ku banno abadde bakumanyiza ezo videos ze mwekolera banaye kati ate zo tutayale kakana mwevumi. Did you reconcile with the girls abali bakuyombesa ku TikTok?
Of course, I'm friends with Bernie. I'm friends with Shivan. I'm friends with Ranier. I'm friends with Apple. Okay, Sijaga we so close. Newe Msanga, we say hi to each other.
Apple?
Yeah, we say hi to each other.
Pose Apple yagende wagundi.
Ebe sibimanyi tuveyo.
Sigana agenda yo.
Beba nambuza. Nga sina kyakubyogerako.
I think Shani is single between you and Apple.
Edwa.
Ku internet.
Sijja kulimba.
Chekyali kuba gwe hostinga ku Katero.
I don't host.
And these other girl Katinga Brony are hosting.
I don't host.
Apple tacha hosting.
Apple simanyi, I won't say much about hosting, but I hosting.
Yes, Brony are hosting.
Yeah.
Sandy zaberako.
Yeah.
Yes. Kati newunya tension ya mwe yavanga with ngaatenda ba muli totally mukola bintu byanjawulo. If not bintu byaba boyfriend, then what else ekisobola okuba tusawo okufuna tension zezo?
Nze simanyi nze mentally I'm ever deaf. That's what I can say. Oza n'okunvuma n'ensirika n'entunulira n'oyogera biti n'ensirika n'entunulira but I never banjogerangako whatever lives they met about me. Savaayo kwogera ku kintu kyonna kyonna oba clearing the air ate nange nveeyo ngende ku live ntandika okwogera ebigambo ebingi. I never did that. I hope you saw that. Olaba live yange yonna nga nvuma muntu. Yeah. Kati nze nasirikanga busirisi. Leero n'okola denkya n'okola n'oddako nga nze gye ndi nsirisi.
Ng'obakolako eno manually.
How?
Kubanga noyinza kungamba nti every time bajjaga ne bakwogerako nga tolina kyokola bagamba mwe mudde ku social media bulekande ene mabega kambakoleko.
Nedda tewali kye nali nga nkola. Nasirikanga businga nsenkanya postinga bintu byange. Nenga tewali kye nali nkola nti noba ne muvuma noba netandika nange okwogera ebigambo ebingingi. Tewali yadde n'ekimu.
The little time you dated Ian, did you get enough of him?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Even if he came back right now?
No, I can't. I can't.
Why?
I just can't.
You managed to go back to...
Rennie. I happen to love him. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, anyway, tuli kuda Truth Media, just go subscribe, follow. You can follow her too. Kugundi ku yaita Moody. Tuna chachogatako. Just Moody. Moody everywhere, Moody. I didn't know mabega kaonga bansaba Moody to the maximum.
Really? Yeah, actually, you're not the first person that's telling me like Mubaga kunkora interview, but my mom was not down for it. Ngangana.
They don't go kukiriza.
Simugambia. That's my...
Your mom doesn't know that you
No, she doesn't know that I'm even here. Simugambia. Kubera badagena kungana.
Takukube emigo le.
Tankuba.
But you are back protecting her to that extent.
Mama wange is very protective.
Why?
Anjagala nnyo.
Okay. Uchagenda cartel?
Yeah.
Like you used to?
Yeah, I do.
Oh. Wali creating the enemy bijiko buli mwale yali ayomba yali afa cartel.
Nze ngenda natabawo n'abawo kyankola. Ne balinga bayombanga ngenda.
Bakutya.
Nga tebabawo na kye bankola.
Bakutya.
Simanyi naye nga nze nagenda nasigala ngendayo. Nga ntuula ku mmeeza ngambala abo bayitawo naye nga tewayi kye bankola. Yeah.
Okay. There's a girl who loves you most every time nga akuposting bambi my mami simanyi bichi Kylie.
Kylie jali.
Banga abamgrowning.
Simanyi jali nduddemu laba like I've taken
No,
out.
she's in the village because the mom gave birth.
Yeah.
Imba following mwenna. I know that lives amaze mutambulira.
Okay.
Yagenda nga wali ku video ya mimi enesembyeyo n'agenda ku live yenna nga awembe wuunyiza. Kylie tanaweza 20. Ya celebrated the birthday recently.
Yeah.
Ali ku live akuba akayaga.
Ku live sabiraba.
Hey. Yali mukagoye ka black bamukutte live akuba enjaga bwastamina abantu bwaddeeri. Then the following day addako bananga mu grounded. Basindisa mu kyalo genda kulabirira mama azadde. Sis brother we simanya abeera kawempe wabiki something. Kazo namugamba genda va mu kibuga olabika osusse. She's 19 taking weed njaga ku live. Byeje mikwano gya mwibwe mtu yesaako ya mwe.
Wale ko nga nyenja go bomwe.
Mfete tumanyi. Ba friends bamwe bakitulaze.
Nze sibikola.
Bakutte video. Bali ku video
shoot ya. Ye naliko ku video ya mimi. I was there.
Yes, waliyo. Je ba shootingira wano enalukolo kwe warehouse.
Naliyo.
Ya Papa Code.
Yeah, I was there.
Mwana nakuma ekiti.
Nabiraba.
Ate waliyo.
Neda. Period yatandika kola kunyenjaga nali nvuddewoko naye kati ate nze nalaba posts ze bamukolera omusajja obani yabiteekayo nange nabiraba ku TikTok naye samulaba in person ngabikola kuba mba kumulaba I would have stopped her.
Ngamba this girl is not yet 20 naye enjaga gyatandise okubonenga katolo kitegeeza waba ali mu kikola kitegeeza abeetoloddeawo bonona bakola ki
nze saaliyo. Like she's a grown up. She's a grown up woman. Like, why would you be smoking publicly? Not live and you start smoking and stuff. Exactly. Come on, walito sa kulaba Muwala asitamya ate na inosigala ng'oteeka ku camera.
Akutte enjaga avudde custom.
Exactly.
Waliyo amacupa g'omwenge galaga. And then ndaba muyina abantu abakulu abali awo nabo tebasobola bagambako.
Nze saaliwo kuba nali nvuddewoko bunene we yakolera ebyo nali siriyo.
You just up by 1 year kuye.
Yeah.
She has just celebrated her
19.
birthday recently, 19 years. And ate oyo mwana mu culture yaffe eya Uganda biki byonna naba akyali mwana muto.
Yeah.
Ngamba kitegeeza mubeera mu ebyo bye bibajjako ne mugenda ku live mukola ebintu ebitagwana.
I don't smoke, I don't drink alcohol. I use nothing, I'm ever sober.
Kylie mwana muto.
If I was there ngabikola nandi mu stopping but I wasn't. Nakomawo sawa zalwa 10 ezekiro.
Ng'ovaawo.
Yeah. Nali nkoye nengena neneba kanze nembaga
manja. Wava sawa 10.
No, nava sazalinga mukaaga.
Yeah, kuba bintu byaliwo sawa nga mu 8.
Yeah, kunze nengenda neneba ka was so tired. Nengenda iwaka neneba kani kuma sazalinga 10.
Ezekiro.
Yeah.
You guys mutambula that late. That early morning sawa 10.
I got an Uber.
What dinner ye ngenyumbu mu nyumba obadde kyokutambuleza sawa.
Tewali, I had to go back. Navaawo. Actually, I wasn't alone. Fena basinga twavaawo. Nengena nenebaka. Nenkomawo later. Nenga I would have stopped her singa naliwo. Yeah.
Anyway, andi beba bitanse okulaga public nti bana abana baba bakikosi we bati bye bintu bye bakola. Birabisaamu.
nkimanyi birabisaamu.
So if your parents bakulabye tebakusindikira nudes nga ndi wano.
Ate wali azindikira nudes zonna alina ebyo comment gyansindikidde gye nakoze.
So if your parents so because there is one girl bamuyita Shiba, her parents bamugroundingako because we bategera nti atambula ne ba Shan Lips ba nibichi. I don't know if you know that girl. Atera okubeera Katero. Atera okubeera ne Omuwala bamuyita Finest.
Finest azotambula ne
Shan, yes. Because that girl bamugroundinga because bamulabye eki.
Ne Shani.
Yes. Kanenga nti abazali abamu don't your parents feel
no, my mom was very yambuza nangambo tambula n'oyo omuwala. She sent me a video shadow oba yaliko I don't know yalina concert yagendako nga yambadde akantu kalaga the whole body.
Gondi. Ani?
Dexter, I think.
Yeah, Dexter, yes.
And my mom sent me the video and she was like, these are the people you be moving with and stuff. And I'm like, it's not me just like that. It's her. Nze tondatela yangayo video yange nga nyambadde bwentyo. Nze just oli mukwano gwange. She's my friend. Nangamba gwe tawulira nti nempewe mufu.
Bamuteka mu bazadde babo obulabi.
Namugamba nze simanyi nze kasita sinze mami ayambadde bw'ati. Nangamba okay. Manyi mama wange tannemerako. Nangamba okay. Era ne wano Shani Eyakabya mama wange yankubira. Nambuuza why is your friend crying? Namugamba mami simanyi. Namugamba yes tofuna conflicts nze ne Shani ne situations ezimukaabya. Nangamba ate why are people attacking you? Kwa byonna biraba. Nangamba why are people attacking you bagamba mbu tomufaako. Ne mugamba mbadde soogera naye. Namutextingako ne mubuuza how are you? Right now ne mukuya ne Kenya so kijulira Shani.
If you guys mad nga sigo mukabya mukubire kawo. Tutegere ekituufu.
Wakwata essimu yange njagala wa mukisa.
Mwatuuka awo. She can even fail to pick up. Take one because in that one. Hey.
I don't know whether she'll pick up.
Why? You guys mwaliku fast dials.
We had huge misunderstandings.
Like ajitunagamba baka ndo muzimu gungamba.
Ajitunagamba kati Moody yangamba ki?
Sasa nakwata kuita Moody kati agamba baka ndo muzimu gungamba.
Sabi mpite ebe bambi.
Ati mubere eri watobo goboma.
Tasa bimpita.
Shana has refused to pick up your call. Muleke gweyo.
Sagala na bare simbududo Omukulu bena musembe Omukulu nga mubuuza nangamba ali munyonyi. I never spoke to her again.
Can Shani refuse to pick up you?
We follow each other on TikTok though.
No, it's okay.
No, Namukuru yajikwata. We had misunderstandings, but yajikwata. Nangama siri but we can meet and stuff.
But she didn't show up.
Yeah, she didn't get back to me. I don't know. Nangene, I think the sense mutale miracle.
Before which you have this Omukulu natakwata.
Never. I never called Shani natakwata. It has never happened. No about Yebas. She picks up my call. No about Mobile. She picks up my call. Yeah.
Then there's a problem.
We got misunderstandings. And what hurts me is that she was the cause of everything. Natikati Ninga is the bad person.
More public because Nakaaba after public sympathy and everyone was attacking you.
I said you wanted your child Mukabya.
And nobody knows in the Charlie Mukabya, so they had to link.
And she ran Sheila Price young amba until no kataoni now we connecting gira mu byonna benno kukaba kwa Shani. Because mutafuna misunderstandings ate we yavayo Nakaaba.
Navayo nga ye winner nga gwe winwa.
Si wibwe. Oh my god.
Anyway.
Yeah.
I think sijja kuteeka nnyo ku ntandaalo. So we're picking up kya pickings akipikinze. Naye nga mbagamba ono ye Moody. Munywanyi wa Shan. Munywanyi wa Ian. Munywanyi wa Brony. Nabalitya Brony. Mwamulaba. What she had to say about her.
Yeah. What?
Wakyalirako ku brownie. Anyway, ebyo sijja bigenda.
Thank you very much.
Sigala bigenda because mbadde nakyezijjukidde brownie kye
yaŋŋamba. Mbadde ngenda kugyewala emboozi saagala gyogerako, it's so shaming.
Yeah, nzijjukidde kati.
Wabula tuveeyo eyo, ask something else. Tubiveeko.
Nina kye brownie.
Please don't, please.
Mukyanganya abasajja weemuti. Cause brownie agala kulaba you oli ali mu ssimu ye ate mutandi.
Wabula nvaako. Musajja wange ajja kuwulira ebyo ebiboozi nga
by then mwate munaddingana. Jo abaakuwayiriza.
Nvaako tuveeyo eyo mbuuze ekibuuzo ekirala.
Sindikira boyfriend woli pictures eziri half oba biki. Anyway, sijja kugendayo anyway kasita byaggwa mwabimaliriza. Naye waliyo okuteba wamu n'akaloma.
Naye siina gwe nkutte kaloma.
Mututte. Kyokka ogeze wuwe.
Wabula ndeka.
Kwe ate mbadde wano nekijjukira brownie told me. Anyway, ekyo sigala kigendamu. Sorry about that. This is Moody, Shan Lips, Ian, Rennie, Brownie, Apple. I want to get Apple.
You will.
Njagala funa Apple. Apple has a lot of questions to answer. Recently bangambi baali bamukikize out naye ndowooza baddinganye n'omwami.
Simanyi. Tuveeyo kuba simanyi.
Anyway, muyina ka click awe mubadde mutambula ng'ebintu mubisobya ne mubitereeza oli n'akuba oli biki. Ate singa mwena mulimu age bracket yemu.
Yeah.
Abasinga mulimu age bracket yemu.
Yeah.
19, 20, 21, 22 we muli awo.
Yeah.
Ebintu byemukola by'abantu bali 40, 45. Bantu batobye n'ensi. Bye muli mukola. Tukomyawo for today. It has been Moody. Just abuuzizza please temunnenya ebimu tusagala tubigende into details cause ebintu ebimu ba moving on.
Yeah.
Do you have any message you have to give abantu abakumanya abakugoberera your fellow girls? Abantu abagala okujja in your footsteps ebintu byo.
Let not peer pressure drive you like into the wrong lane. Pray, look good, move forward. That's all that matters.
Most.
Yeah.
Namabala bagesonyiwe.
You can go out, like respectfully. You can go out. Kwanza I do go out.
Yeah, okuba ebbaala.
Ekibbaalo tokiremerako nnyo.
How many days do you go out in a week?
It depends. But ntera nnyo okubeera ne Rennie most of the times. Yeah.
Kata kyakulekerera.
No.
Yakuleka gumu n'osobya naga kataliddamu.
Yeah. True. Ne mamange yamugamba.
The mom no.
Yeah, amumanyi.
Okay. Yakyala?
No, naye nga boogera mu phone and whatever. Era wetwadingana mami talk to him and stuff.
Nagato duddamu kuleka mulala. How old is Ren?
Rennie's tubireke ebyo ezo nsonga zizange mujja muyita wano.
Sokolina lwaki weyita Moody? Lwaki weyita Moody?
I don't know how even I came up with the name. Kubanza jukira it was it 2020 when natandikira
tukozesa oluzungu.
Era ndikozesa oluzungu.
2020.
So chagada nti ndikugamba 2020. So when natandikira I came up with it. Kati nasanga I was scrolling ndaba Moody. I was like, why didn't I call myself Moody? Ninja itane
creativity kali yao.
No.
Wakopa chikope.
Actually, there is a girl that I used to like admire a lot. She's called Charlotte. Nali mwegomba. So nga yeita Moody baby, Charlotte baby, something like that. So I was like, let me call myself Moody.
Okay.
Kaja ate nerikwatayo.
It's like a copy and paste.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, tunaonane next time naye nga genda kusula motors ofune motoka genda ku Joseph China obenga osobola okufuna ebintu China ku space ya dakiika ntono nnyo olokola obudde ebintu bifune mu time ate nga biri genuine. Yes. Then esula motoka ez'akabi, go visit my YouTube channel, it's The Truth Media. Go visit her TikTok account, yeyita Moody. Tumusabire badde mubakwatagane ne Shan Lips atereere kozi kati ndowooza ekimutawaanya ha.
Yeah, I miss her though, saga that I act gangster.
But you deep down.
She really hurt me.
But deep down inside.
Yeah, I really do miss her.
Oh, sorry. Okay.